Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to deposit in Casino Plus using GGives. So let's start. So how you can add funds on your Casino Plus account. So first you have to cash into your GCash. First ensure you have sufficient funds in your primary GCash e-wallet, and you can do this via online banking transfer, instant pay, over conto partners like 7-Eleven or Pure Gold. Navigate to Casino Plus deposit section, so you have to log into your Casino Plus account and go to the deposit or cashier section. Then you have to select cash method payment, choose GCash from the list available deposit options, enter your amount and confirm. Input the desired deposit amount and follow the on-screen instructions, and you will typically be redirected to the GCash login page. Authorize the transaction for your GCash wallet balance and confirm the transaction. Once you're confirmed, the funds will be instantly credited to your Casino Plus account. So that's how you can do it, guys. I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give a thumbs up to this video.